This is part 2 of the W140 series. In the last video we picked up this beautiful S320 with only 200,000 kilometers on the clock. But shortly after we started hearing whirring sounds from the engine bay. We diagnosed the issue. It's something around here, and today we're finally going to fix it. Okay, so we got the parts. We're gonna replace the water pump, thermostat, and tensioner pulley. And then we're gonna replace the power steering pump. Cut. Okay, it's a new day, because we found out that the water pump that we ordered, it was not exactly the same. So we needed to go and get some plugs, because there are holes that should not be here. So this is something to keep in mind if you don't order the parts directly from the dealer. So yeah, so let's continue. Okay, so 30. We're gonna loosen up these bolts before we remove the belt. It's a bit tricky, but it's doable. So, like this, we have a lot more room. So we did a little trick there to break the bolts loose. It worked. Power steering pump, we're gonna lose the bolts for the pulley. Perfect. Open the belt and we're gonna remember that one. Kaputski. Gonna drain the old fluid out. So loosen it up. Mm-hmm. Most things on these cars is so well engineered. Like this solution, it's so nice, smart. Okej, den ska flyttas över. Move over some parts. Replace the pulley. So next up we're gonna remove the pipe on the back. Yeah. Ser du den eller? Den är i vägen. Oj. Oj. Good. So, I think we're good to go. New pulley. And I think this is so much easier if you have the power steering pump away, because then you can just slide it in straightly. Because it can be a little bit issue with this seal here, I've heard. Because if you have the power steering here and you're gonna slide it in, then you can break the seal. So this is probably good. Oops. This was not correct. This is the right way to go. So it's prepared with a new filter and everything, so that's good to go. To move over this here, this bracket. power steering pump goes in like this, and it's actually $25 Newton meters, I think this should be. So, and now we will fill and bleed the system. If you've seen the video on the CL65 where we replaced the tandem pump, you know, the ABC pump, that's a bit of procedure. It's a little bit similar here, but not as complex and sensitive as the ABC system. So we're just gonna fill it and then turn the wheel here and let the pump suck in some new fluid. Then we're gonna turn the wheel back and forth until we have fluid in the system. Fun fact, it seems like these pulleys are completely identical to each other. But one is mounted like this for the water pump and one is mounted like that for the power steering. Quite interesting quirk. Never seen it before. That's just one sign that the engineers were actually thinking back then compared to today. Fun. Dinner is ready. For those of you wondering how long time this operation takes on a W140 with the M104 engine, how many hours?
Maybe 7.
7 hours. That's a lot. No, 6 hours, I think. As you can see, it's quite a process, but we're getting close to the finish line. Ready to fill the system, and we're gonna leave this off because that way the air can come out here and we don't trap unnecessary air in the system. So it's a good tip. And then we're gonna jack the car up and turn the steering wheel back and forth so we get all the air out of this power steering unit also. Okay, it seems like we fixed it. The car is not rattling anymore, so that's perfect. If you have a rattling sound or grinding sound on W140, then it could be your power steering pump. And in this case, it was. And with that good news, I just want to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And don't miss the next episode where we will move on to the interior of the car and make it really beautiful again. Stay tuned for part 3 of the W140 series. Thank you so much for watching.